Hi. Welcome to my channel. I am back with another informative and exciting tutorial. Today we will practice directly in Figma. We are going to create a simple mobile app onboarding slider. Let's move toward Figma. First of all, plan your design and collect resources accordingly. These can be illustrations or images. I will also share some important websites or plugins from where you can get design resources. So, now we have illustrations. Add slider text. Select both heading and body text by pressing the Ctrl key, and press Shift+A to add an auto layout. Align data of your slider as per requirements. Set alignment and spacing for your auto layout. I will add a full detailed tutorial on the usage of auto layout. Select all three sliders and make a component set. Now it's time to add a prototype to your slider. We need to change slides after a few seconds, so we are adding after the delay trigger. Add some pre-built animations. And there you go. Copy your component and paste it on the screen on which you want to add a slider.